I can tell you like this house. The finishing, the fitting of this house, the screening on the wall, the painting, everything is a masterpiece. You know what you should do? Calling me to buy the last piece of this house. Because we have 3 units. 1 unit is just remaining, and that unit should be for you.
Western Ham property in Island, Mainland, Penthouse, oh yeah. In Island, Mainland, Penthouse, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia, 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 Cecilia,
This
contact Madam
is
Cecilia.
one of the biggest houses in Magodo Phase 2. It comes with a swimming pool, a private cinema, and spacious rooms with so many beautiful features. Now this is your security house. Let's just walk around and see the compound. This can take 4 cars conveniently.
Let's go around and see the beauty of this gigantic house, and you can tell me what you don't like about this house, but I know you are going to love almost everything about this house. Let's see the swimming pool. But before the swimming pool, this is the maid room, and that's the kitchen, the outdoor of the kitchen door. You know, the kitchen has 2 doors. So let's just see the swimming pool. The swimming pool, there's an entrance from this swimming pool to the sitting room. We are going to see it. The pool is perfect for cooling off on warm days. You need the pool in the house. Okay, let me quickly go and welcome you to the house. Let me welcome you, my guests, my viewers, my clients, my investors, my people. This is the house. The house is so bright that the sun is even shining in the house. The sun agrees to the beauty of this house. Welcome to this 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex here in Magodo Phase 2. Welcome, and this is the ante room. That's the visitor's toilet. Let's go to your living area. This living area, if your visitors should come to this house, your visitors, when they come, I'm sure they wouldn't want to leave, because this is it. This is the living room. This is what they call living room. See the finishing from the flooring to the ceiling. Check this out. This is what they call I have a house. I have a house. This is the best place for family gathering or relaxing with guests. At a point, I had to pull my shoe when I was finishing the tour of this house. Let's see the swimming pool. Open the door, let's see it. This is the swimming pool. So from the sitting room, when your guest comes, you just tell them, would you like to take a swim? Okay, let's take a swim. You can even have a barbecue area around that place. You get it, you feel it. I just want you to imagine it right now. And this is the kitchen. This is more than a gourmet kitchen. This luxurious kitchen is truly a chef's dream, combining style and functionality with high-end features, showcasing a large center island and a marble countertops. This kitchen ensures custom cabinetry, provides generous storage with soft closed drawers and glass front display cabinet for a touch of elegance. This kitchen also includes a spacious working pantry, keeping essentials organized and easily accessible, connecting seamlessly to the dining and living area, while large windows bring in natural light and offer a view of the outdoor entertaining space. It's the perfect setting for everything from casual family breakfast to formal dinner parties, embodying the best of both form and function, making cooking both convenient and enjoyable. With a cozy breakfast nook that overlooks the pool area, which makes this house your dream home. And now, do you want to go home, or we should just go upstairs and take a feel of this house? Okay, let's go upstairs. You want to see? I want to see. This house is made for kings and queens, prince and princess. And this is the family lounge on the first floor. From the family lounge, it takes you to the study room. So that's the study room. This is the study room. It can serve as a study room, an office, or a library. Yes, it's a multi-purpose room. You can decide to do what you feel or think it suits the house or is better for you. So this is another room. This is one of the rooms. You see the finishing of this house. The finishing of this house is like the house you built yourself. That is how the finishing of this house is. Like, when you want to build your own house, you want to go all out for the house. So this house is actually speaking your mind. It's speaking your mind. Do you understand? The wardrobe, the finishing, the suites, all rooms and suites. The finishing of this house is bam bam, is ko below. So, can we see the cinema? The room is dark, but the cinema is big. Because I have seen it with my 2 eyes. You need to come and see it with your 2 eyes. It's big, it's spacious. They didn't on the lights. So sometimes it's more good when you didn't, aside the cinema, sometimes it's good when you're doing house tour, you see the house. So you see the beauty of the house. Do you understand? When the bulbs are not on. So when the light comes up, you see how it's as if you are on earth, but you are in heaven. That is what the house will give you. This is the balcony. We have about 3 or 4 balconies also in this house. So this is the other room. You see the wardrobe. It's not those wardrobe that you buy today. The wardrobe start peeling. This one is titilaile. How do they used to say it again? Forever and ever. See the finishing of this house now. Make una check am, make una see am, make una talk true, make una confess. See the bathroom. See from the flooring to the ceiling, the screening, the walls, the painting, the oh no. Oh, I don't want to bite my tongue. This is another balcony, and this is a view. Wait till you see the master's bedroom. Wait till you see it. So, good morning, my neighbors. There are some views your balcony will give to you. You just know you are going to have a good day. You just know it that you are going to have a good day. No matter how bad the day is going to come true. You're gonna come back with a good day when you see your view, your balcony view. Okay, let me go back to my house tour with my kings and queens. This is one of the rooms. I'm not gonna take it easy on my hater. That's when you buy this house. That's what you don't even have to sing it. The song will be singing for you on its own. This 5-bedroom duplex is selling for 500 million, but the owner said if the person is buying immediately, is buying at once, is buying outrightly, is going to be selling it for 480 million. We have houses here selling for 700 million, but they are not up to this house, the finishing, the quality of this house. So that's the price of this house. You should be calling me. This is another room, another balcony. This house, Take it easy on us. Take it easy on us. Take it easy. Imagine if there was light in this house. If there was light in this house. Let's just go to the master's bedroom. Let's just go and see. And the terrace, the 10th floor of this house. Oh, the 10th floor of this house. Okay. Welcome to the madam's room. The beautiful thing about this house is there's a madam's room, my queens, and there's Oga's room, my kings. So this room takes you to Oga's room. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Let's do a 360. I call it the 360 master suites. So from here you get to the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is nice. The bathroom is like a city on its own. The bathroom is like a nation on its own. Spacious. You can have a couple party here in this bathroom. See your gold toilets. And not only gold sheets, you got the sheets for this kind of house. And the dual basin setup in this bathroom adds a perfect blend of functionality and luxury. Also, the walk-in shower in this master suite is a true masterpiece of modern design and comfort. And don't forget, the jacuzzi area exudes sophistication and tranquility, balancing comfort and luxury in every detail. Now, let us go to the head of the house, main master suites. Haha.
I know you like this house. I know you love this house. I can tell you like this house. The finishing, the fitting of this house, the screening on the wall, the painting, everything is a masterpiece. You are already falling in love with this house. You know what you should do? You should be calling me to buy the last piece of this house. Because we have 3 units. 1 unit is just remaining, and that unit should be for you. If you like taste, if you like elegance, if you like beauty, if you like class, if you like top-notch suites, then this master bedroom suite is for you. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Everything has been set for you. So you have a double master bedroom here. Here, take you to the madam's room. So I think it's a 360 way thing. From here to here, from here to there. Let's do it.
So if you like this house, let's go on Bobby Brown and Whitney Houston. We have something in common. You and me and you. A work was done in this house. A good finishing was done in this house. Imagine if the light, if the bulbs were on. Like, you would be seeing a sparkling, lavish, luxurious home being illuminated by the beautiful, nice bulb. I don't want to illuminate you too much. You're already illuminated by the beauty of this house. Now see the balcony that gives you a good day, the balcony that sets the day for you, the balcony that makes you seize the day. With this kind of balcony, you'll be seizing the day. You'll be seizing the day, man. And when you're tired of staying here, you can just decide to go to the 10th floor. Please, can I take you to the 10th floor? Do me the favor of walking with me to the 10th floor. To the 10th floor. Yeah. Bye-bye, madam's room. Hello, 10th floor. Yeah, I just want to do a rock and roll. You now get someone that can design, that can put that, that carpet grass, do your barbecue. This place is for intimate friends and family. When you're done watching movie from in your private cinema, you can decide to just come here, have a barbecue, have that spicy chicken. Then you do a flower drop here. Oh, imagination won't wound me. And you just the view, do the light. Is it day? You can stay here anytime, by day, by night. Anytime you want to stay here, you gotta stay here. You gotta feel the breeze. You gotta feel the ambience. You gotta feel the tranquility. You gotta feel your money working here for you, man. You can, you want to think the economy, everything is just doing you buzz. Just come here and think. Come here and you'll be having inspiration. You cannot have challenge in this kind of house now. Where challenge won't pass. When you have every nook and cranny of this house is entertainment, is luxury, is comfort, is peace of mind. Man, I'm tired. Let me just leave the house. I had to pull my shoe because I wanted to feel the ties of this house. It's just so soft, so sweet, so lush. I'm forced to say so fluffy. Let me go home and imagine that I'm the one that is buying the house. You understand? So that's the reason why I had to pull my shoe, to enjoy the feel of this house. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia, Cecilia, contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate, yeah. Best land and property, yeah. Queen of real estate, yeah. Best